As promised, some news on Airbnb. Deirdre Bosa has that in today's Tech Check. Hey, Dee.
Hey, Carl, good morning. Airbnb has made a rare acquisition. Its first as a public company and only its third ever, valued at more than $100 million. The startup is called Gameplanner.AI, and sources tell me that the deal was valued at just under $200 million. There's no information online or even on PitchBook surrounding the startup because it has been in so-called stealth mode, which some early companies choose to do to protect intellectual property and to avoid distractions. What I can tell you is that it was co-founded by Adam Chair, a well-known name in artificial intelligence. He was one of the founders of Siri, and when it was acquired by Apple, he worked alongside Steve Jobs. Chair later co-founded Viv Labs, which would become the foundation for Samsung's voice assistant. Now, Airbnb CEO Brian Chesky has said this year that generative AI will radically change its platform, and he wants to use it as a travel concierge that learns about users over time and enhances their travel experience. For example, matching them with the right rooms or homes on the platform. Now, Gameplanner.AI will accelerate certain projects at Airbnb and integrate their tools into the platform. The deal is Airbnb's first acquisition since 2019, and it could pique some interest on Wall Street as to whether Chesky's M&A strategy is shifting and Airbnb might become more acquisitive. They certainly have the balance sheet to do so, guys. It is profitable on a GAAP basis. It is generating billions of dollars in free cash flow each year, and it had $11 billion in cash and liquid assets as of the end of September. Now, the AI startup landscape, though, as we have talked a lot about, it is red hot. Just this week, reports that Google is in talks to invest hundreds of millions into Character.AI. And of course, the mega caps, they have been investing billions into other generative AI darlings, OpenAI and Anthropic, inflating valuations across the space. And even in public markets, the AI hype cycle appears to be back. NVIDIA up almost $100 in less than a month. Semis more broadly leading the tech rally. It feels like the beginning of the year again, guys, or the first half.
We just talked to Roelof Botha of Sequoia, Deirdre, and he was talking about the incumbents, the public companies. He's on the board of MongoDB and Block. Those are going to be beneficiaries, and they're already diving so deeply into AI. This is, I think, a good example. I wonder if we're about to see a wave of new deals, especially if we get some more rate relief that we're seeing today on public companies buying these private startups. This is the start of a bigger trend.
You could argue that rising rates didn't have much of an impact on OpenAI because especially the VC community and the mega caps also just believe this is such a huge shift. They're willing to sort of lose money on this for a time. But that's a huge point of conversation here in San Francisco that I'm sure Roelof Botha has and many other VCs I speak to have this conversation. Are the incumbents just going to win this thing? Look at those deals that Google and Microsoft and Amazon have done, and Airbnb. I mean, it's not mega cap, but it's pretty large cap technology. And it's interesting that they acquired a company in stealth mode. So that means it hasn't yet had the chance to raise money. It's been operating essentially in secrecy. So this is a $200 million deal, which is large. But when you look at the AI space, it's actually relatively small. So maybe you'll see more of these companies get in earlier. Because there's a lot of money looking for a place to go in AI.
And everybody has to be an AI company in the future.